Residents spotted a new AI robot braving Pittsburgh streets earlier this month. The RIVR-1, designed by a Switzerland-based company to navigate last-mile delivery, is testing its ability to traverse tricky terrain throughout the city, with possible plans to expand next year. The autonomous robot, backed by the biggest delivery company in the US, may be taking advantage of Pennsylvania's favorable regulatory environment, like other robotics startups in the region. But local residents increasingly find the tech unsettling. Pittsburgh is offering the perfect playground for our physical AI, the company wrote in an Instagram post, showing off the delivery robot's ability to navigate the city's iconic public stairways. Autonomous delivery robots aren't new to Pittsburgh. In the past, delivery robots could be found at the airport or roaming the streets of the city's east end, but their public presence has waned somewhat over the years. The recent RIVR buzz, however, contributes to the trend that Pittsburgh has become a testing ground specifically for physical AI.